Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I have a sale that I need to announce on here first before I load the items up, just to see if you guys will be interested in it. Now, as some of you know, I get shipped different products in order for me to do reviews on, and sometimes people just ship me product that I may not even do a review on. If I don't believe in the product and if I don't use the product, then I won't do a review, even if they send it to me. But I've just got tons of different things. I've got product that I have used for demos and product that I have used just a little bit out of, and things like this, different pens. These are the Faber-Castell little markers. I've got glitter and gel neon pens. I've got the Arteza pens here. Let's see. I've got all sorts of dies. Not dies. I've got all sorts of embossing folders. I have embossing powders in every color imaginable. Let's see what else I got. I have got black gesso. I've got the 3D, this is the stamp paint. I've got that. I have opened it, and used it just to demo, and it's still good. I have even got some, these are Stamp It Up stamps, the wood block stamps. They're still good. You can see, you can't even hardly tell that one has been used just a little bit. I've got packs of those. I have got, there's another Close to My Heart stamp. It's been used one time. Another Close to My Heart stamp. I've got paper pads. I've got stickers. There's paper pads. Most of these are brand new. They've never been opened. Let's see. I've got little micro beads. I have little packs of Felicity Jane ephemera. See what all this is right here. Got tons of different stamps that, like you see, some of them have been used maybe one time. They may have a little ink on them, but they're still good. They're still fine. So I've got lots of those. Here is more Stamp It Up stamps, more embossing folders. And I'm just kind of going through here and picking out different things. I've got some, let's see, these are gel pens again. And then I have some Arteza acrylic colors. I have some of that. I have tons of stuff. I'm telling you, there's so much stuff here, I don't even know what everything is. There's more stamps. There's all kinds of little ephemera packs, sticker packs, just tons and tons and tons and tons. That probably not. There's a bag of different stamps, maybe been used one time. That's it. Everything is still in fantastic condition. Here's some wood embellishments here. They're you could paint them. They just say "Live, Laugh, Love," I think is what those say. I've got more embossing powders. That's just a few of the things that I've got. I didn't pull out everything. That's just a few of the things. Now, let me know if you're interested in this. I can't list each item separately so that you can just go through and pick and choose what you want, because that would take me forever and a day, because I've got thousands of these items. But I need to clear some of this out because I'm just overrun and my space is very limited. Also got some Tim Holtz sprays. So let me know if you're interested in this. What I will do is I will take product and fill up a medium flat rate box. So I'll just take different products and I'll fill up that medium flat rate box and I'll ship it to you for one price. So you won't really know what you get in your box, but you will definitely get more than your money's worth, because I'm not going to charge but just the price of the shipping for the box and then maybe just a few dollars more just to kind of cover my expenses for getting the boxes and packing and shipping and that kind of thing. But it will basically be free product, and you just pay the shipping and my time, my little bit of time for packing. So let me know if you're interested in that. I'm looking at maybe probably like, I don't know, a medium flat rate box will hold quite a bit. So I'm looking at maybe $20, something like that, for a full box, just as full as I can stuff it with stuff. $20 to $25, depending on what all I can get in there. But let me know if you're interested in this, because I need to clear some of this stuff out. I got so much, I can't even get to some of my other items that I need to be selling and loading and that kind of thing. So in the comments below, let me know if this sounds like something that you would want. Something you'd be interested in. Now, please keep in mind that some of these items may be brand new, like this. Some of the items may have been opened. Some of these have been opened, but you can see they've only got just a tiny bit of spray out of them. I will make sure that everything is still workable. Like if I ship a, let's say, let me find something. I don't even find a liquid thing here. Okay, let's just say this. If I ship a pen in there, I will make sure that that pen still works. I'm not going to ship you something that's no good. So all of this stuff still works. Most of it is still pretty new that I have got maybe in the past year. But just let me know if this is something that you're interested in. If so, I will load this stuff up and start selling it probably tomorrow by, like I said, the medium. You know what size a medium flat rate box looks like. So I'll stuff as much in that as I can get. But I just need you to let me know in the comments below if this sounds like something you're interested in. And if so, then we will get those loaded up and get them out the door, because I need space. I have run out of space, and I need to get rid of some of these things that I've got in stock. Alright guys, that's what I wanted to ask you right now, and then I will be back with some videos very, very shortly. Alright, we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.